Hey everyone, if Microsoft Excel is not responding in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you several effective solutions to fix Excel freezing, hanging, or becoming unresponsive. First, give Excel a few moments to respond. Large files or complex formulas can temporarily make Excel appear frozen. Next, close other applications running in the background. Yeah, too many programs can consume memory and slow Excel down. Now try launching Excel in safe mode. This disables add-ins and custom settings that may be causing the problem. Faulty add-ins are one of the most common reasons Excel stops responding. So disabling them can help identify the issue. Make sure you're using the latest version of Excel. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. If Excel continues to freeze, try repairing Microsoft Office. Yeah, corrupted files can cause the application to become unresponsive. Sometimes the issue is caused by a specific workbook. Try opening a different Excel file to see if the problem still happens. You can also disable hardware graphics acceleration. Graphics issues sometimes cause Excel to freeze unexpectedly. If none of these methods work, restart your computer. So this clears temporary processes and memory issues. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Office. Yeah, a fresh installation can resolve persistent problems. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Excel not responding in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.